Hey guys, so it's happy Saturday. We're walking here now. Take me a picture. So, walking Saturday walk, guys. First is there. Nature walk. Nature walk after we ate like 2,000 calories. So we need to burn that calories.
You ate 2,000 calories?
Yeah, I ate chips and salsa.
Red wing black.
Oh yeah, so see, look at that bird, guys. I'll show you.